Hello everybody, I just wanted to pop on and say a big happy new year to you all. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas as well, and I wish you all the best for 2022. I hope you cook up lots of delicious recipes for yourself or for your family. So this year I'm going to be sharing lots of delicious seasonal Scottish recipes, so recipes that are based on the Scottish seasons, and I also get my inspiration from traditional Scottish recipes as well. And I do share some traditional Scottish recipes as well, which are well known in the Scottish food traditions, so I hope you enjoy those kinds of things. I'm also going to be sharing a sprinkle of Irish recipes as well, and I might venture out into a few Scandinavian recipes. I love Scandinavian cooking. I also love Irish food as well. A lot of it's very similar to the Scottish food traditions, and there's also a lot that's different as well. So it's really fun to share those. So I'm going to be sharing all those kinds of recipes. If you have any suggestions for anything you would like to see on this channel, please feel free to drop me a line in the comments below. I will be taking you guys out and about with me. So I recently posted up a video of my trip to my favourite farm shop, and I cooked up a recipe with the ingredients from there as well. But I hope to show you guys a bit more of my favourite places to eat around about, and especially when we go out to the Highlands and things like that. So and we're going to be doing some outdoor cooking in the summer hopefully too. So I also have a few exciting things happening at the Wee Larder, and hopefully that will happen this year, and I will get that news out to you very soon. And I just want to say a big thanks for all your support over Christmas time and that, and just for the whole year, the past year really, just all the lovely comments that I get on the videos, and if there are any nasty comments I usually just delete those anyway. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for all your support. You've all been so kind in the things that you say, and I love your suggestions as well. If you have suggestions to a particular recipe, yeah, please feel free to drop those in the comments below. It's always handy to know. If you have a recipe in particular that you want to see, then please feel free to drop me a line. I noticed the trifle recipe was really popular over Christmas time, and I had so many nice comments about it and how it reminded them of their childhood or of their granny making it, and the clootie dumpling was probably close to the popularity of the trifle. It was quite popular as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed those recipes, and I did plan to get more recipes out throughout Christmas time, but I just ran out of time. It's such a busy time for me with the kids and all the Santa trips and things that we have to do. I think I went to see Santa about 4 times, but yeah, it was crazy busy. So anyway, I just wanted to say take care guys, and if you enjoy these videos, please feel free to give them a thumbs up. That really helps me reach more people, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell next to it, I will see you guys again soon. So take care, lots of love, and all the best again for 2022. Bye bye.